Chinasa Nworu, who is his ESM chief security commander, nobody knows his face. I want you to listen. Onwere onye ma face here. So many people ndị ala na-arụ ọrụ amụọ bụ Chinasa Nworu. His face every week no katana I probably me ha publish more faces no onye Chinasa Nworu. Unless it's because they is close to Nyanwa. When they would came up, but I'm under oath that they will not review the picture. Now, coming to the men on ground, Nnamdi Kanu, only see how Buteuzor, but Buteuzor was hiding face. Why all this hiding of faces? Why all this hiding of faces? If they mean well for us, Ndi Igbo, na ha very be dozi Igbo. Why are they hiding face? And the order was given by their leader, which is Nnamdi Kanu, that this guy face will not show. What do you think could be the reason Chinasa Nworu face get read out from social media? A commander, he claim money very so. You are giving because they know that a day like this will come. They know that a day like this will come. Now, how are you going to get the Chinasa Nworu? Who is that Chinasa Nworu? I'm saying this one. It could be. I don't know. It could be self now for border Chinasa Nworu. It could be. Who is the Chinasa Nworu? The commander of Eastern Security Network. Care the purpose age where hide the face here for so long. Up to now, nobody knows who is Chinasa Nworu. Somebody who is issuing command. Somebody who is issuing command to the security. Why is his face hidden? Why is Buteuzor, which is the leader of Nnamdi Kanu, Ndị nọ n'ime ọhịa ha sị nọ n'ime ọhịa? Why is his face covered? So many people who have done the work of ESN, who have done the work of Liberation Army, up till they came out, some of them became more again a picture of Buteuzor. Kahana Maka Buteuzor. He covered his face from morning till night before you can be able to get to where Buteuzor is. So Shuko how Kagilia got them and Odika Otunu get taken. These are the people called themselves security. But they are men, they go see their face. Obana has a handshake cover him or don't understand them, but picking some which are the leaders to cover face shows that a more good agenda about this. Get this into your brain. Get this into your brain. Onye want something to help happen here, the more for Bodo. Cannot hide his face. Why are you hiding your face? Why are you hiding your face? Is your master's hiding face? Why will they ask you to hide face at the first place? It's because of the work they are using you to do. They know that's not the agenda at the problem. They know that a day like this will come. But look at how God is revealing everything. Very soon, Chinasa's picture will be all over the social media. Mark my word. All of them who are hiding, their pictures will be all over. Buteuzor picture, they all over. I want to swear somebody did very close to Buteuzor. One time, I think, the last 2 years, Canberra encounter with that person. The person say something, there go be a question. It happened to be no your motanze. When you go say no family, no that is kind of gentle see from the same family. I mean, temple. Njoka ti yon shop utaze something so Obanaga. Obanagazi. So that is when I know that now, okay, now all these things we review. Today now, his picture is all over. Why not the men who protected him are seeing his face for the first time? Is this the people that will give you the Biafra you are looking for? What if I tell you that na enworo, in fact, enworo any single plan, 1% good plan enworo in this thing for Igbo? What if I tell you that? The problem we Igbos are having is that we have lost the focus. Yes, the picture is everywhere now. The picture is everywhere now. We have lost the focus. That is why an Igbo man will see video trending on social media, believe it, without any proper investigation. All the go too obvious that na Igbos also buying and selling a guy business oguna. Ordinary brain, many of us are wenye. I don't see reason why you will be believing so many things. My brother, welcome to my live broadcast. No. My live broadcast. Okay? So these are the things you need to know. You must know this truth and have peace. Igbo should rise and start behaving like Igbos. Condemn the atrocities. Until Igbos condemn all these atrocities, this thing may not stop. It may not stop. Chai Oshendo Obijako. Welcome, Oyisi Papa, Parliament, Nukumadu. Welcome to my live broadcast. Welcome, sir. Onya somebody. Because if you have never followed Oshendo Empowerment Foundation, please go and do that immediately. This man and the Madaka. These are what the things we need. If we have people like this, this is what Igbos need. I know many of us, and Igbo are the man. People who are investing na ndonde majo. Oshendo Foundation. If you have never followed Oshendo Foundation, please go and follow Oshendo Foundation. Very, very important. So, what am I saying? It is time for Igbo to come back and start thinking like Mado. Stop believing all these things. Social media can cause right damages. And through this social media, can believe I get you fix the brain of the man they destroy. Because when they destroy the brain, they might destroy. I was discussing with somebody yesterday, and he was telling me how his oga died as poor as. Onye asị nọ na-agbara ọgụ ya boy na ọgụ ya bụ Biafra n'isi. O bụ Biafra n'isi ka bụ time of the mosop. O buru ya n'isi de no nwere shop pụtara na akụ shop ha. The shop has no 400,000 naira. 400,000 naira. And ọgụ ya nwere the money to buy it o. Ọgụ ya ka azụ nya shop ya nwan. Ọgụ ya sị mba na Biafra mana enye ha date mgbe Biafra na. Na Biafra na-abịa, Biafra na-abịa. Na Biafra abịa kịta na ụmụ ihe ndị anụma. It's nothing. Na ọ dị azụ. These guys yogidere ọgụ ya ka azụ shop ya. Ọchibitere ọgụ ya ka ọ gbazie nkịtị. O si n'aka ndị mmadụ na-akpọ ndị mmadụ ka abịa. Ka azụ ọda shop. Egi dị not that the money adịrọ. But ihe bụ problem bụ na Biafra na-ala. Na Biafra abịa wago. Check time of ụwa zuru ike. Check go the time of Owazurike. Up to now, Nanabi. This man make this thing, make this a grand also shop. Another person buys that shop 390,000. Now, after 2 years, that shop price about go to 1.8 million Ghana here. After the boy say before Napata boy, shop and he go 21 million. Shop ebe ha na ego 21 million. Now, tell me, and in Ogia when we problem na business. Sorry, 11 million, not 21 million. Shop ha na ego 11 million. You got so now, Ogia have a problem na business. Only ihe onwuru to because ebe no ha ebe ogbara boy ahụ na kedu ihe na akpọ Castina. So Ogia ha nwere property ọbụla o nwetenwu. No single property ka o nwetenwu. Ogere iji were build onwe ya mgbe ọ dara na business. No, ọ dịgidere poor to the extent that na ọ na-atụzi carton ka ọ na-atụtụ. That is carton na ndị mara ka esi atụtụ carton ere carton. No ihe ọ ga-emegide were nwụ as precious as a big man. Biafra mentality. This thing has caused so many damages in the brain of the Igbo. When our boy, one of them, Biafra. Oh, this thing. Oga, he cannot expand his business. Because I believe in a Biafra aviation. Last, this man lost everything. I have told you people about a man. Then in the day Biafra Nabia, this man went and sold remote here. Raise so many things. Next dates. Then days to that date, or what hell on a shop here. Rent their shop away. Next it declare Biafra has declare Kolama and Igbo. Date already declare Biafra Bland. Can a Kundori Anani and Ego. Egulila Horete. Bulgaria. Nami Egulina, the worst part of it, but that now, get him in a bag. My guess instruction. Or cash, go to the brew. Ndeti beribe. Obumba said, go and withdraw your money from bank, keep in your house. So many Igbos went and withdraw their money. They were in a yard. Some of them do it. They became poor. That is why, after knowing all this and analyzing all these things, I have come to my conclusive conclusion to say that Biafra is a setback. Starting, do you know where we were? If I is here, welcome to my live broadcast. Very dark man group page. My brother. Very dark man got Welcome to my live broadcast. This thing, of course, goes so many pains. And don't they mad? And we are still believing this. Find it difficult to abolish it. When are we going to concentrate to build an Igbo? When are we going to know that if build an Igbo is Naga government for us? We can do that as in the Igbo. We are the best in humanity. Igbos are the best in humanity. My problem I am but that now we have failed to understand, or let me say, we have failed to let go of the ideology of our forefathers. That is the problem we have. We have failed to let go of the ideology of our forefathers. They fought for the Biafra. They did not get it. Now that ideology remains in our brain. Instead of us to let go of that ideology and come back to think on how to develop an Igbo. Igbos alone can make an Igbo to become Japan. If Igbos can go to Lagos and develop Lagos State, If Igbos can go to abroad, West Europe, and even add to the Europe, if Igbos can go to North and develop North, if Igbos can go to West, Southwest, and develop Southwest, Igbos can come together and develop Southeast without the help of a government. Let's tell ourselves the truth. Let's tell ourselves the truth. That is nothing but the truth. Igbos don't need IPOP to develop an Igbo. Igbos don't need IPOP to develop an Igbo. We don't need to get the Biafra before we can develop an Igbo. We must let go of this ideology of our forefathers and come together as brothers in making sure that an Igbo is developed. And without us doing this thing, Igbo got continue a problem on this. Of course, you can see some leaders who are supposed to be the one to speak out. They are not speaking out. Rather, they are still romancing this case. I want to see what they will do if someone Ekpa will get a judge this way. You got to go? If someone Ekpa will get a judge this way, I want to say what will happen to the leader. Someone Ekpa once said, if you are calling him a terrorist, that means you are calling Nnamdi Kanu a terrorist as well. He has his reason for that. It's because whatever he's doing is an instruction coming from the leader. And most of the actions of Simon Ekpa, Igafuya, na broadcast of Nnamdi Kanu. Jido soja kopisi. Jido sabo kopisi. Nnamdi Kanu obokoye. On Okoye. Every army shaking point attack. Simon Ekpa na Nnamdi Kanu obowa ya the order. So tell me one decision Simon Ekpa have made, durable decision apart from long sit at home or Nnamdi Kanu obowa sit at home. Nnamdi Kanu obowa sit at home. He started the sit at home. Just as Simon Ekpa bezina long here, or be saying 15 days, move on 21 days, move on 1 month. All those kind of things are on our caucus. But who instructed that this thing? So I hope that Simon Ekpa doing something, they are guests. Here now they can't go. Just that now these people has their way of manipulating. Their manipulation is very strong. Because of course they came from the pit of hell. All of them in that leadership, they came from pit of hell. Tell me, Koye Gano like this, Oye they say from pit of hell Gano. Ane Bumunye, Kopisi, Ane Kopu. You are still praising them. You are still praising them. You are actually in a group of Nde. In fact, I'm going to have popular one. Oh, how? No. That is why it doesn't concern them. It doesn't shake them. Rather, they will be turning the story upside down to be giving the people Ndele Wetra Hego. Okay, now that those people, some of them have known the truth and withdraw. So many of them are Barabago. So tell me, you can tell me that on comment section. Instruction, Simon Ekpa Nnamdi Kanu dire issue. Can you know Nnamdi Kanu dire issue? So why are you shifting these two people? That is, he's trying to separate two of them. Nuna man, bread and butter. That is who they are. That is who they are. Igbos must come back to their senses and know that na ọkwa na Igbo ka na destroy. Ọkwa last time ka anụrụ broadcast ọkwa Chinasa Nworo gbara ka m fụrụ ya na nke first. Ya bụ onye Igbo zo broadcast m fụrụ ya na page ya about ọgụ a na-alụ na Aso Island somewhere in Lagos. Okay? Ọgụ a na-anọ. And so many Igbo ahụ esheki be ha. Assuming Lagos State ahụ gbara ga relax ya. Ọgụ ada ebe ahụ ọ bụrụ Igbo versus ihe anụnwa. Goal nwe ogige ebe ịgba ana. Izidi ana Igbo. Anyị nọ nga anyị na-emechi ọnụ. Anyị nọ nga anyị na-support evil. A na-emebisie. We continue supporting without finding a solution on how to resolve the matter. Without coming up to say, no, this is our land. This is my father's land. This is my father's land. I must protect it. Without coming out to say the truth. Without coming out to fight and recover. Obani Igbo giga gbata. Election is around the corner and we don't know how Otogade. Assuming, but we don't pay for that. Assuming something came up. These are the reasons. Don't think that Niga Lagos got it last year, Iga Kaduna got it last year, Iga Edo State got it last year, Iga got it last year. No. Don't think like that. It probably should come now that what are that Niga landed in your community. Where are you going to? These are the reasons why you will not stop talking. You need to open up your mouth and try to sensitize somebody about this. Sensitization be the key we will use to liberate an Igbo, and also action. We can't just continue sensitizing. When you are sensitizing, you are taking actions. And that action is to say no to this, stand and fight to recover. Support the security. Give them the information needed. So many of us shock and I'm saying the government is not doing this. The problem with this one, you heard. Now, listen to this again. No, believe in every believe. I want you to listen to this again. Listen to this voice notes. Listen to this voice note. I played it before. I want to play it. I want to play it again. I want to play it.
Have destroyed.
Let's listen to it together.
As the leader of IPOB, I am a very powerful man. Okay. I know that very well. I can decide who lives or who dies. I can decide to play God if I want to. I have over 2 million men under my command.
Over 2 million men under his command. Over 2 million men over his command. Ndị nọ na Igbo ebe ahụ one ka ha dị. Now, when you have informants like this, those carrying color, much number like this, Kudika magic ishoka security men go overnight. And what different between Gene just insecurity, the insecurity the what? Insecurity in Kebai, the Wagarishan insecurity. Makandile kuna basha wrestling insecurity of last 44 hours. Insecurity dishe na insecurity. This particular insecurity, but because of Mumundi Madu, we have menka production. Because so many people are phobic. Now on you read here. Please, if you have never shared my post, please help me to share. Help me to share and don't forget to click like. Pico, help me to do that. Help me to do that. So many people up to now Kadramugu. Now the lies ni nenyerenda. Now the lies coming from these people. Now the lies they sell to them. So many people Kadramugu ni That is why they will give out their house for these criminals to be living there. They are finding it difficult to give security this report or information that this their neighbor. That is why they are finding it difficult to believe that these people came to destroy. Insecurity, this insecurity. This particular insecurity is because Nnamdi Igbo ji aka ha chest ya. But if Igbos can chest it out overnight, about 24 hours, give it 24 hours, it will become a story. But you that are chasing this thing, because you are chasing it because you are still believing. You are still believing that na Biafra that will come through these people. You are on your own. These people are getting richer every day. They are taking your contributions to buy lands, to buy properties, to settle their lawyers. If I Ignatius agree to you, welcome. Equal one chance. Welcome, Foster James. You all are welcome. Welcome to my lab brother. Please, if you have never shared, please help me to share and don't forget to click like. On Apple me on mention and I click him like. How are you encouraging my page? How are you encouraging me? How are you doing that? Please help me to share. Every time I open a Ijele, they share my post. Because help me to share, very, very important. So because so many people are still believing that now these people, there will be Biafra somewhere these people get with them. Keep on waiting. But I want to tell you that those actions are the thing. Mere okwodika na yeniba adibemwa overnight based on the natural question. 24 hours is really wipe out. In also LGA, as of 2021, 2022, 2023, ndị security ga-abịa ebe issue ndị job. Akwụsị mmadụ ka road otu na direct ha another roads. Informant ha na direct ha na road ha ma ogbunigbe nọsị. If you go that na no boss of these people cannot fight, but they are fighting almost the entire communities. These people can come out like this, drop where within the community, and then maduju. Security nobody can point security say look at him here. Security why now those people are not there? They are living in people's house, but who will say that these people are living in people's house? If you go that no boros or in the ESN or BLA, can security and also but to the entire communities. When the entire community failed to direct the security, give security the information they need to get. Now tell me, how can a security of 200 persons, let me say that with 200, defeat thousands of mad? How can they win thousands of mad? The community you came to protect, you know, so many people there who are supporting, who are hiding the guys. But thank God that today, eyes has opened. So many of them that hide those people, so many of them hide. That is the area you need to understand. That's not about Ekwensu. That you are hiding them and you have that confidence even to trust you. They can wake up and call you tomorrow saying that you are setting them up. So why engaging with them at the first place? Why engaging with them at the first place? Give them money today. Buy them motor today. Tomorrow they will still become your enemy. They will look for you to buy you. And I want to tell you, that criminal you are harboring could be the one that will buy you tomorrow. We have so many of them who have been, aiding and abetting them, sympathizing with them, but they turn around to buy them, or turn around to buy their mother without even saying that now only are they good to us. And once they buy the person, they will say one thing: no, Sabo. Everybody will believe it. Who is going to ask questions? Who is going to? That is the kind of country they want to give us. When their leader sack you, whatever he says, everybody believes it. Nobody to ask questions. That is the kind of president we are going to have in Biafra land. If Biafra, and then there Biafra tomorrow. This is the kind of Biafra. Nobody challenge, nobody ask questions. They buy whosoever they want to buy. They buy whosoever they want to buy. Nobody ask questions. Whatever they say is final. If they say you are Sabo, you are Sabo. The villagers will take the news round. No Sabo call. I for the animal more tanker, no animal more tanker. On our ronda, that is why. Ugle kunusu free animal more tanker, meshke unusu free. No ya no helicopter na arụ aka ebe ndị ne ke onu so efe no ya na helicopter. Onye obuna ebu ofu ihe, the villagers will accept because the villagers are betting them. They are aiding them. That is why you have security people are home. But they are doing well. Nimi Nina, they are still doing well. I know why I keep giving you flashback. Igbo easily forgot how we got here. They easily forgot the past. We know how to forget. All here so to be bringing those flashback to you. Ewogo men didn't believe in Haga. I posted the video. Let me use this opportunity to correct something. I posted a video yesterday, and that video, so many people was saying something. I don't know if you don't understand the video. The way I see that video is the way I only added the Ishaka when Ishaka was on live. Okay, I only added Ishaka when they buy Ishaka to that video, advising the young man on that video that all this mouth you are making on TikTok, social media, Ishaka did them well. Ishaka made a TikTok of woman. But at the end of the day, Ishaka is nowhere. About the usually know man go to the Namoya. Last. Then I posted another video this afternoon. Check the guy I posted the video this afternoon. He said he enjoyed for 6 to 7 months. And one day not bad this thing, how last in 1 month. And the mumus are still entering. And one day bad there today now. The next day Ababuha. One of Madi Alamono buy a shike mesu. And also that place 1 year. Eboya. Oluzo ya. So that was the essence of that video. I was addressing that into BC. Let him know that here on a man now. Man of the before. Ishaka did it. And he may go see Ozu Ishaka. So that was the message. I didn't say that boy Nebugie. Understand that. Now, the Ishaka, I still went and find the video of Ishaka, though it's someone that sent it to me. Then I have my reason to post it again. So all this flashback in the Buteuzor is for you to understand that now nothing lasts forever. I have posted the video of the Onongo men, how they move around the streets. They don't fear any security, they don't fear anything. But today it's no longer like that. Nothing lasts forever. There were so many people that now they will disappear. Like baby of 40. Today, baby is no more. Iyi is no more. Iyi bonye nke kukudrogu wesi that na no mmadụ nke ụwa ama mbute nwunye. No nworo mmadụ nke ụwa as long as na onye ahụ nwere blood ga-ebute nwunye. Iyi is nowhere today. Ọjọọ nkọ number 1. Double lion, many of them, I can't be calling their name. All of them were all. There are things they have negro, so nothing lasts forever. So if you are on social media, you are making noise. Empty noise. The only reason you can is because of the communities they brainwash but very soon, ewe bidi na-atụ n'aka lekwa ebe ọ nọ lekwa ọbụ ọ nọ ọ bụrụ ọgwụ gị na-eche gị ka o ji abụrụ your smartness na-eche gị. The only thing na-eche gị bụ mumurism ndị Igbo ọhịa ka keep you alive. Don't think that's not your smartness. No, all the brainwash akọsụ na the brain of our people bụ ihe ka keep gị. The brainwashing, the damage brainwashing akọsịrị ha bụ ihe ka keep gị. Anytime ọbụna Igbo rising anya ha emepe nke gị agago, they are giving you soft landing. Ineko na brain gị na-arụ ọrụ. Bullet na water men gallant men we dey here in the apata social media na-akụ iri because of the damage men na brain of people can keep gị. But very soon anya ndị mmadụ ga-emepe. Very soon anya ndị mmadụ ga-emepe. The way we are opening people's eyes, very soon their eyes will open, and when their eyes open, now then go see point where you dey. Now that you have an opportunity, to run away. Now that you have the opportunity to surrender, why not embrace our program, which is by your bush commander? Take the video, come out from the bush, surrender to the government and become a hero. Why not embrace it? Why not embrace it? There's so many people in our land. Mike, he's a deceiver. How many of them can they do now? How many of them? I will tell you that no, yes, yeah, bro, 1 or 2. Ndoso in the bush go ha. Ndoso in the bush go ha. And no platform celebrated their buying. No platform commend them for their good work. They are dead and forgotten. There kashiz of Omodi Alam Kakarobi Mwa Eterodom Aturimiye. Pota so biji buregbe ba ohia ebagi ya no ebagi ya no because aka ya di etoba. Tell me one person no bu no da village ai wo onye meguri hojo survive ya pota. There are things people don't know. You will end up there. Mike Ahinze. Here in Osanisi, Kojo Heba with a full half cast. Apotran buy. Where would they deceive when they buy that no one from Israel? That's not a representative from Israel government. Imagine. Maka hize wure sabande ba yisi sagide ba yisi. Onye nụrụ na ndị Israel send the representative. Eh? Ọ ga-asị here ya bụ na Biafra wee nwere n'isi. The warlord. My brother Atata came when I was shooting in Okporo. Atata came to that place. He was boasting. He was boasting that na mmadụ gbaa ya egbe ahụ ga-ata ọgụgụ onye ahụ n'ọgwụ ọgwọrọ onye ga-agba n'ụgba. He was boasting. Now one hotel I lodged him that time because I'm a movie director. He was boasting. Now, after the shooting, the day I handlala came at the house. One of the house I used we shoot off him now. One pass here greba we gaji do tenant bi ba goya. Gini na ese. I say we gaji do mmadụ ụgwọ. We gaji do mmadụ ụgwọ. O bu mmadụ obere isi ga shed isi. Oge ọ na-ere na ished isi mmadụ. Atata bụ n'isi. That will not permit. I would have shown you the video. I cannot get. Okay, let me know. Let me know if I can see it. I forgot that I'm now using two phones. Okay, let me get it for you. Eh? Ata anusi. Ata say na ọ na-anwụ anwụ. Na ịgba ya mgbọ. Mgbe echi ya tụgbuo nwa gbara ya dị mgbọ. Atata ani bụzi story mfọ mgbọ ọzọ. Ewudiola ayọ biko. Look at Atata.
Follow elder. You dey hear am or listening now? Na your brother wey una dey support ESM. Wetin be the good thing wey you don do as you join ESM?
Yeah, I get you.
Tell me. Because I'm not to do anything for them. Talk louder. I said I no got money to do anything for them. So how many people you don kill? This camouflage wey you wear. Na wetin be the man wey you kill for them? Number one, matter and give you. Number one, wetin be him name? Eh? I didn't say from where. Okpolo. Eh?
Okporo.
If on Agada, what is the strength? How many are you? For this? Eh? Just tell me. Which kind of work did you do before you joined here, sir? Which kind of work did you do before you joined here, sir? Mechanic. For where?
A mechanic you. So this is the Atata. Upon you know make did you see him? And what again in all these things? We must rise to say no to this. We must rise to say no to it. I'll be as a warning to people who ego. Understanding that you're not doing an Igbo good. Understanding that you are not doing an Igbo any good. They will call you on phone seeking for money to protect your house. In what the mind, I will keep on hitting on this thing. In what the mind, he said they're gonna hand and protect you because you don't want them to set your house ablaze. My brother, that money you are giving to them is a waste of money, waste of resources. Because definitely they will still set that house ablaze. Yeah? They will still set it ablaze. Whoa. No, ihe ego ụlọ gị adịrị gị ị na-eti aka na tipa bụ aja. Ọga ọ bụgo na emechaa at the end of everything ụlọ gị aha dị ya baa n'ime ebe ahụ ị afụcha skeleton ndị mmadụ. No, baa n'ime ebe ahụ ị ga-afụ skeleton of people. Ego inyere ndị a doesn't make your house ka ọ dịrị gị, ọ bụrụ ya ga-eme ka ụlọ gị dịrị gị. No. Because ego ahụ ị na-enye ha sometimes gbadịrị ha sị ha mere gị video inside your house niile ịhụ na many of your property ha move go many. Ọ bụrụ nwere AC ewere adọla the AC. Ọ bụ na adọ nke outside ewere ka adọla nke inside. Hapụrụgo ihe gị outside ka ị na-ahụ. O nwere ike phone gị, televisions gị, property niile nọ n'ime ụlọ gere mieni ya, and you are still sending money. At the end of the day, they will still gbara ụlọ gị ahụ ọkụ. Is it not a waste of resources? Still, you are supporting. That is, it can add to the pains in the mmadụ, and the more is taking record. Or ndị mmadụ a na-akọfu n'obodo because that's your little contribution. If people turn against these people and stop giving them money, they will pack and leave. They only succeed in that place because na ha ka nwa na-apụ eje ahịa eje asụra ha nnu ose. They are still in that village because na enwere ụmụ nwaanyị kala na mara ha di. They are still in that village because enwere ndị kala erere ha eje erere ha bitakola ha ghọsịrị. Aka nwere informants. They are still in that community because informants are still there. If all the communities turn against them, they will run. And when they are only there boasting because they have much number of informants. Both married women. They are their informants. Both Okada people. Both keke drivers. Because they have much number of them. And maybe Nnamdi Kanu arrest. When these people recruited, we were in Nnamdi. I was asking the following morning, what happened? Somebody was telling us that now these people recruit to 700 people. I screamed, hey! 700. You recruited 700. How did you get their database? How did you work on that thing? When so they say problem they're gonna this obodo. But that time God, the God of the land, the God Almighty, was working on me for this particular day. They recruited how many? 700. One night. Another time again, they recruited 300. Recruited 400. Is it not 1,400? These are the people. Bondegene. And me how to akese egbu kwa ha. To akese egbu ha na recruit more. Agbaginde egbu. When you enter that valley, you will focus when how when they try to okay hegbo pojuo poshie. So ha na-separate karịa ndị ha butere ebute. Before a na-eburu Nnamdi Kanu na-eme Nnamdi Kanu arrest, the first pit ha gburu ejugore. Atụzuge mmadụ ree. So these are the things we are trying to let you know that there won't need for you to continue to support this atrocity. By giving these people money, you are standing your hand with Obara. You are standing your hands with Obara. And Igbo gajukwa giao. Agobakwa di mena ani Igbo iye. Aga gekwe because that money you are giving to them to protect your house, that money you are giving to them, is something. Unless you quit now. Quit here now. Stop giving that information. The information you gave led to the buying of that woman, Mr. Kongo, Mrs. Okori. The information you gave led to the buying of that Reverend Father. The information you gave, Adre, but the reason And some of your brothers, the information we are passing, be held to Ebuha, Akagobote Bobara. Akagete Gobara. And one of Mojogia, one Gajugia, or Gajugia. You keep on giving information, giving the morale, giving the morale. Hana Buga. When we know the reason they are buggering is because they always like to work on their information. Well, their informants, they have much number of them. They have much number of them. People say junctions, na bus stops. Those people, many of them. All those women, they are informants. So the only reason these people J Buga is because they know that they have informants. If you turn against them today, if every community should say no to that, they will run. Stay 1 week, don't give them any information. You will see that they will quit from that community. They are there because you are giving them information. So whatever they commit there, akage the nimia, and the one agachore gadria, omoge buriketa funimia. Unless you stand now and start to rebuild, to replan, to reschedule. Now appease the gods. Yomani Shineke Binigwe, Koba Aragi, what so many people have done. When you ask them, they will say, if you don't beat them, you join them. Fallacy. If you don't beat them. To commit atrocities. You are getting joy. That now the boom negi. In a way, joy that umunege bafusiri. So many people go here happen that information and we also they don't want to obey them. Ki we wike bu akọ no kwa nebe osogi. In eje ebu akọ no kwa umunna gi. Ofo onye na control zi thousands of ukwa. Thousands of unku. Inere na ebube ego. Eshi government nwote gas informant gbagi. Eburu pota innocent person. How do you know innocent person if I may ask? Take is a innocent person. Only no go n'obodo ndị a na-eme for how people. Ọkwa mmadụ na-eme party anụnwa. Ọkwa mmadụ na-eme party anụnwa. A na-abụ ego niile a na-abụ. And nobody, people are there. Nobody to call security say when something is happening. Can security maze ka yesi with me? I'm coming, let me get that. Nda one mama. Bodom mama de ya. Okay, I know that. Those that watch you. I want to just be watching. I want you to see something. Oh, when something short, oh, when something short, you. And I know that way. Now watch you. Enwere point in shock ka you motere ge eba. Enwere point in shock efu here. Now watch you. Community praising who have come to destroy their community. Praising who have come to destroy your community. Oba Osra se Bobegwe. In Ania Osra Hashere. He's from here giving commands. Now this is a community. This is a community praising. Let me not use the word community because some of the leadership of Omaka are not supporting this thing. Now, people, indigenous, are the people praising somebody that is destroying their community. They are praising somebody who have come to that's our community. You are praising. Now, on Eba on your sign, Nzobidi, welcome to my live broadcast, sir. Welcome, Tony Odogu Osei, welcome. Nkem Dirim, welcome. Now, and I have praise here. What's not mini? It's not mini. Just imagine. And I praise here. Oh, you very big maybe obodo. Now, on Ozzy Babu, yes, I. Abobody everybody egi agubala. Ule rubego. Abobody everybody. Onyimekwa ko otu a. Apose commander. Ndị obodo a na-akụrụ ya aka. Na-ehele ya. Ndị obodo a na-ehele ya. I want to remind you people something. Ka ọ dị ka ekwurekwu mere ọnụ mana ndị a na-agbanụ ịghọtago ndị a na-agbanụ. I want to show you ihe ndị a also mere 2022. Watch this video.
Biafra masquerade. This is Biafra masquerade. The Biafra masquerade. Biafra masquerade.
And I know that. And I know. And I know. 2022. Lelelu moto. Let me pause it here. You know why I play this video? Is to show you that nothing is new under the sun. Nothing is new. The our mama as of today is also LGA as of 2022. This happened 2022. But in what this thing brought to us, it brought pain. It brought more pains. This thing I displayed here, it brought to also people more pains, more buying of people, more destruction of houses. Now, these people turned against the people. And I don't know if you are getting me. The people, after getting now, after those parties not together, against those people. Because the worst thing nobody ruined and so, the worst mistake you will ever do nobody ruined and so. My brother bo here dia we ya na ere mmanya. Ụmụazị asị mụ na ha ga-anọdị mma nọdị ebe ha nọrọ ebe ni. But all because of that beer parlor business. Be na akpọta ha na buy. Abịara ebe ịṅụ mmanya. And the guy bring you to him. So ewezugi ya ndị adịam be nwere ifu ha ebe a na atọ na ọjọ ebe ọzọ ị na-eje. Because you coming close to them, but when it cause a problem to yourself. They don't need it. They don't deserve it. So this masquerade displaying brought more buying of people, destruction of roads. Because after Kemesha this thing 2 years open, it went so viral. Omoro iPop man on social media did post it. It went viral, and this kind of thing can provoke the government. Now, government are Japan as a KB family. Then with our cry, we have been crying. Or the car now this will help for them to hear. Not quite the same people in there, they started coming. Now, when Haberan kids, got many of them because they're not ready to fight. They cannot come out like this to fight. What they would do, break Mazeros. How about he would be into two? A tight road now, he would be into two. So that Kahari Idum moto hand pattern side. Kahari but on one side. Only there to destroy road sign in. Only due to Igbo many people because Hadra was comfortable with people. They believe that now government is a bata. And when a particular woman just landed security in Abia, Jeba, lot to gave us 0 mini, 0 biscuit, all these things and that lawa, Omaze Jengam. That is all. Why will you allow soldiers to come and buy? You will attract more Igbo money. Now, how is they comfortable with anybody? 2022. How was it comfortable with anybody? I left village October, but our eyes are still there. Our eyes cannot. 2022. I know now is I should go home before it take more 80. When we video more, I mean, but I say and the buy I got a lock. Okay. So, video no we wash it cause right so many pains. So many pains. If you don't attack my schools. attack my churches, attack many things up attack. It brought nothing but pains. This is what some community are repeating up till now in 2025. This one happened 2022. So you don't learn from people. No matter. You don't learn from people. No matter. Ka ihe mere na osu mere. I will tell you that also will not welcome these people na die. No wego community. Nda Buteuzor nọrọ before osu cause all damages na obodo ahụ. Also we never, so I know, we never. So I don't know why the community like Umaka are not seeing reason to learn from what happened in Osun. From learning from the predicaments of Osun caused by these people. Antonio Odera, welcome to the podcast. Jerry Wonder, Henry UC. Freedom TV, welcome to my last podcast. Honor, welcome. Shima, welcome. Oh, Shima Zako, that is Shima. My brother, I greet you. That is my village brother. I greet you, my brother. So, I can't welcome her. You must learn from what happened in our own in order to secure your own community. If you are on question, can work in the same format. Oh, na batana. Bido handi homa, na-eme ka ndị ọma bido na-ekpe ikpe family, na-ekpe ikpe ana. From ikpe ikpe family, ikpe ikpe ana. From there, ha batana, na-eme one or two. Ọwa na go say then. Ọdịta akpọba ndị mmadụ anyị na-eseke ọnụbụ ụnụ bịa n'obi eme nke akpọba ndị mmadụ anyị na-eseke ọ sendịara ya ego na-ere anyị nke from there na when they are done involving your people because ego ọbụla ihe ha na-edekwa they will make you to understand you are one of them. Now ngụnwa ahụ nyere ha ego ego ama nkezi gị to work with the government because a man shock at government shopụta. But when you will know that people are angry over this thing, bụ ndị ahụ na-emere business egbu ha na ha ozugbo nwa ha wụkapụta. So you must stand up and say no to this. The buying of people didn't start from Simon Ekpa. It started when your spring leader Kanu. It started Mgbo Kanu. Mbana form that in form we never knew that do you know how many people heard that cut off Nabai? Or later Kaibera man that not here where he made that camp. Now who was the spring leader? Was it Simon Ekpa? Was it Simon Ekpa? Mbebere Mata Donamu, who was his spring leader? Mbebu Soludo, who is the spring leader? Was it Simon Ekpa? Mana ma poburu moto epa di jonde mmadu ebute ejeba hebuo slaughter mgbe first pit juru Simon Ekpa owe awu di otegi go over emego Nnamdi Kanu arrest. So why do you want me to take every blame to Simon Ekpa when I know that the buying of people started from the time it were for evil when they were planning to form the ESN. You buy the home before I bit of aside na everybody believed in the one night in Azuka. Until mgbe pishi iko juru everywhere. Everybody was kwanda. Because Ikoso used to come there. Okahaha. Okahaha. So, Keki Gesi Webia, he make a more believe that's not the problem of an Igbo Simon Ekpa. Keka Gesi we believe na problem of an Igbo Simon Ekpa. Oh, we on under his information on this thing. And that person abroad is sent in this case. Because Mwaka outside, Okabu Supreme Leader, Aka na-egbu ndị mmadụ. Egbu migori ndị mmadụ. First pit egburu ejugo. Ọpọna ha wunyekwa. Ọpọ ha wunye. Ha wekwa chemical. Anụ ahụ as. Chemical. O rekọsịnị ha ma ụdịka ihe a na-awụ. Ọbịa dịnị ka mmiri. Ọbịa dịka ihe na pit toilet na-adịnị. Mana ojugo. Ima mmadụ ole egburu many oju. If you have never shared my post, Biko, you are not doing me good. If you have never liked, you are not doing me good. You are not supporting. The best way you will support, Biko, help me to click like, share my post. By so doing, you are inviting more people or sharing the message to people for them to listen. I can't be talking to just you. I can't be talking to just you, 87. I can't be talking to just you. But when you share it, the message will circulate. This message I'm giving to you, you can go many places, you cannot find this. Go to social media handles of people, you may not get the message I'm giving you now. On a few places, you can get it from few horses' mouths. You are hearing it from somebody. See, from Oda Osuhito, a home-based, who were there when everything started, who can testify this body 10 I passed through. These are the kind of people you want in your community. Blah, 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 government are not trying. Blah, 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 government are not. But you are giving information to them. Government are not trying, government are not trying. Your brother is giving information to them and you know, because of your blood, you want to protect that your brother. Yet you are shouting government is not doing well. Do you know how many informants that is betraying everything of land? They will stay in the community. They will go everywhere. They will work with, do as if they are working with security. They will be passing information. Communities, they will hear, they will hide. Come to my house. They will go to somebody's house and hide. Security are now more than a guy. They are not there. Nobody to tell them that these people you are looking for are not in that bush. Before you move, before now a banana junction, result don't reach to them. Information don't reach to them that now these people are heading to your side. Now on banana junction now. All information are there go. Area. Nda junction are the problem we are facing and Okada people. And you have them as a brother. Still, you are coming to social media and how are we going to recover our land if we keep? I called my brother, born on the sea. It is time for you to drop your arms. Are you not tired of the buying of people going on in this community? Are you not tired in the looting of properties? Money are your enemy. Money are your enemy. But we will continue to preach the gospel. On to bani egu na mma agbanwe. Agbala me on one oje ba na ase na keshi bokwara gi ihe agba. I told him. Today, it's no more. if every community will stand and say enough is enough. If you are here that you want to, I greet you. If you are here and you want to come up, you can send your request. As Chineke gozie ntị niile nụrụ ozi ọma m gbasara tata. And ndị ga-eti ihe n'ọrụ, gasị mba, I will not send money to these people again. Ị mara onye na-esend the money sef, isi send izi ego ahụ na-esend bụ ego nla n'iyi maka ụlọ ya ha ka ya agbakwu ya ọkụ. Assuming now that niile ndị ego na ụlọ ihe adịgo mgbe bata ụlọ na-afụ about 10 to 15 skeletons na n'ime ụlọ gị ahụ. Ọgbọwọ ọsọ ka ya eripụ. Ụfọdụ mgbọ egbe atụgo ha gbara jee na bed gị, dịrị na bed gị ga-anọrọ ebe ahụ nwụọ rekasị ebe ahụ na bed ahụ gị na nwunye gị na-ehi dayo matrimonial bed ahụ. Ụfọdụ n'ime ha gbatara ebe ahụ nọrọ elu bed ahụ nwụọ. Ị ka na-ese ndịkwa ego ka a na-echere gị ụlọ nche. Why not keep that money? That money will help you tomorrow. As we wait for Kaiman and Yagenwo callers in today's program, I want to remind us of our program, Pay a Shy School Fees. We are doing it already, and I will go. I'm coming. Pay a Shy School Fees with your 10,000 naira. You can. I'm coming. Okay. I personally, I paid for 3 persons school fees, and Nze OO paid for 5 children's school fees. Mr. Victor Shooks paid for 2 persons school fees. Mr. Hyacinth paid for 5 persons school fees. Inha Inshuku paid for 3 and promised to pay more. So eba ka I can kita e calculate ya kita now. If that na total of Inha Ijibu 18. I am go 18 already. Last time we paid for 111. So but now we have gotten 18 already. So if you want to, please, God will bless you. Please come to our inbox or chat me on WhatsApp so that I will forward you. Go down and shake our listener. I couldn't paste. Okay. Let me tag the account number. So that you can pay as I'm rounding up. Okay. But you go down and shake our listener. I couldn't paste. So all the very necessary that you can support. Obgodo one side, you support. Obgodo one side, you support. All the very necessary. I am dropping the account number. 62327313. With your 10,000 naira, you can. Okay, I have pinned this thing, so you can help us, support us, and God bless you, my people. Because 10,000 naira for a child school fees, you can do that. 10,000 naira for a child. How many can you cover? That is the message. I say God bless you all for spending your data. I might come live again or I might not. Let me run around for one or two things. And if it happened that I returned, then on a particular something I want us to talk about. Thank you and God bless you as you like and share this post. God bless you.